What if I told you there's a European country where you can get a job, live affordably, bring your family, and you don't need IELTS, no age limit, and no expensive agents involved? Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, Albania is quietly becoming one of the easiest European countries to move to in 2025, and most people don't even know about it. So, if you're tired of being rejected from countries with strict language or visa requirements, stay tuned because this could be your best shot at starting a new life in Europe. If this is your first time here, comment below where you're watching from. I'd love to personally welcome you. In this video, you'll learn how Albania's work visa works in 2025. The types of jobs available for foreigners. Who is eligible and what documents are needed. Step-by-step guide to apply, no agent needed. Where to find visa-sponsored jobs. Cost of living and why it's one of the most affordable countries in Europe. Can you move with your family? Yes. And I'll explain how. Pathways to long-term residency or citizenship. Albania is in southeastern Europe, sharing borders with Greece, Montenegro, Kosovo, and North Macedonia, and just across the water from Italy. It's not in the Schengen zone yet, but it's an official EU candidate and rapidly aligning its laws with EU standards. That means moving now could position you well for permanent settlement in Europe. And here's the best part, the Albanian government has opened new pathways for foreign workers in 2025 due to serious labor shortages in key industries. Top jobs in demand in Albania. There are growing opportunities in construction, laborers, site assistants, welders, electricians. Tourism and hospitality, hotel staff, cleaners, cooks, waiters. Agriculture and farming, seasonal fruit pickers, greenhouse workers. Domestic work, housekeepers, elderly caregivers. Customer service and sales, call center reps, retail staff, especially English-speaking roles. Transport and logistics, drivers, warehouse workers. Most of these jobs don't require a degree or IELTS, but basic English or willingness to learn Albanian is a big advantage. Visa eligibility and requirements. To apply for an Albania Work Visa, Type D, long stay visa plus work permit, you need a valid job offer from an Albanian employer. A valid passport, at least 1 year validity. A signed employment contract. Proof of accommodation, from employer or rental agreement. Criminal record certificate from your home country. Medical insurance. Visa application form, submitted online or at embassy. You don't need IELTS. There's no strict age limit, and you can even apply without a university degree, as long as the job matches your skills. Step-by-step visa application process. 1. Find a job, I'll show you how in a second. 2. Get a job offer letter plus signed contract. 3. Employer applies for work authorization on your behalf. 4. You apply for Type D visa at the Albanian embassy or consulate. 5. Once approved, travel to Albania and register your residence. The processing time is around 30 to 45 days, and costs are very low compared to other European countries. Where to find Albania visa-sponsored jobs. Here are trusted websites where employers post jobs open to foreign workers. Duapune.com, NewJerseyOfTime.com, punajuaj.com, LinkedIn.com, search, jobs in Albania with visa sponsorship. Indeed.com, set location to Albania. Use keywords like hotel jobs Albania, fruit picking jobs Albania, visa sponsorship Albania, English speaking jobs Albania, construction worker Albania. Tips to boost your chances. Tailor your CV in European format, Europass CV recommended. Mention your availability to relocate quickly. Apply directly to employers, not just agencies. If you speak basic Italian or English, highlight that in your application. Be honest, professional, and prompt with replies. Albanian employers value trust and clarity. Can you move with your family? Yes. Albania allows you to apply for family reunification once your residence permit is approved. That means your spouse and children can join you after your work permit is granted. Also, schooling and healthcare are relatively affordable compared to Western Europe, making Albania a solid choice for families starting fresh. Cost of living in Albania. Living in Albania is very affordable. Rent, 150 to 300 euros per month for a one-bedroom outside the city center. Food, local markets are cheap, fresh, and full of produce. Transportation, public transport is efficient and affordable. Your salary might not be as high as in Germany or France, but you'll save a lot more due to lower living costs. Pathways to permanent residency or citizenship. After 5 years of legal residence and work, you can apply for long-term residence permit. Eventually, Albanian citizenship, with some language and integration requirements. As Albania joins the EU, early movers might enjoy smoother transitions if Schengen or EU-wide work rights become available. Albania might not be the first country you think of when planning your move to Europe, but that's exactly why this is a golden opportunity. There's less competition, lower requirements, and real chances to start working and living legally, even without IELTS or expensive immigration consultants. Affordable. Easy process. Visa sponsorship options. You can bring your family. If you've been looking for a realistic way to move to Europe in 2025, Albania just made it easier for you. Everything you need, application links, job sites, and official resources, is right there in the video description. And remember to comment where you're watching from, especially if this is your first time here. I would love to personally welcome you. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe and turn on notifications bell for more updates on working and relocating abroad. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.